Okay, the word always. The word always is an adverb of frequency. Position. 1. Usually come before the main verb. Always usually come before the main verb. Example, she always wake up early. Number 2. Aster verb to be. Am is a verb. Example, he is always happy. 3. Can come at the beginning or end for emphasis. Can come at the beginning or end for emphasis. I always be kind to others. I always be kind to others. I will love you always. Okay, example with always. How to use always in the sentences. Example 1. My mother always cook delicious food. My mother always cook delicious food. 2. You can always call me if you need help. 3. He has always wanted to be a doctor. He has always wanted to be a doctor. 4. Children should always respect to their teacher. Children should always respect their parents. Again, children should always respect their parents. 5. I will remember this day always. Again, I will remember this day always. See you next time. Please subscribe and point like with my video.